Welcome to our Excel training. If we want to find the conditional maximum value while using Microsoft Excel, we need to use the if and maximum functions, that is, the if and max functions, inside each other. For example, to find the highest value of some company in the table we have, I come here and it is equal. We use the maximum open parentheses if function, and then we give our condition. Friends, if the values in column C are equal, the company here is, I close the parenthesis as find the highest values in column F. The second parenthesis is the maximum parenthesis, and I reach the result by pressing the control password enter key from the keyboard. When you pull it down, we see the other values. Look, let's do the test. Let's list the values here from largest to smallest. When we look here, we see that the highest value of Antalia's agriculture is 48,000. Look from here, we reached a similar value. I see Humanica's top value is 40,000. When you look at Humanica, we can find it here. Now, to find the conditional smallest value, look at it in the same way. We copy it to the side. Let's make it bigger and smaller from here. This time we need to use min and if functions. We say equals min. We open the parenthesis. We say if. So equals min, we say if in the open parenthesis. Again, equals in column C. That company is a semicolon. He found the smallest value of the value there. Double brackets. I close the parentheses. By pressing Ctrl-Shift-Enter, I can find the lowest, that is, the conditionally smallest values here. If we want to find the largest and smallest conditional values, friends, we need to use the maximum and if functions, that is, the maximum and if functions minimum and if functions inside each other, which we call CSE. It should be used in the form of array formulas such as Ctrl-Shift-Enter. In this way, it is possible to find the largest value, the smallest value, even the average values if you want. Let's come here. Let's keep the average this time. We will say equals the average. If we say again, we open parenthesis. If you do it in Turkish, it is equal to average open parenthesis. If we say equal in column C, the value here is dot comma. When you take the average of the values in column F and press Control Password, we see that the result comes out. Look from here, we see the other values come. Let's select them all. Control Shift, exclamation mark in the upper row. Control Password, exclamation point. When you press the sign, we can easily separate them in 1000 digits. In this way, you can find the conditional largest and smallest values by using the maximum and if functions, the minimum and if functions, and the average and if functions in the same way.